Hi guys, I worked really hard last night trying to get this Mustang, wasn't it? Trying to get that one to fly, or build it and then trying to get it to fly today actually. And the build was okay, but flying it was hopeless. So I thought I'd give this, what are they calling this one? Phantom. I'll give this one a try and then I can get rid of the book then because it's practically empty. So that's what we'll do tonight. Cut this one out, put it together, let it dry properly and maybe give it a try at flying it tomorrow. Drying it does seem to be a key issue. I don't think it had dried properly when I was trying to fly it this morning, the Mustang. So we'll cut this out, glue it together. I'll probably leave it on a radiator to try and get it to dry out properly. And then we'll have a go at flying it tomorrow. Well, that is the finished article. I wonder if we can get this one to fly.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.